So, Golf 12 Bravo, representing 67 Punjab Regiment from Pakistan, awarded a gold medal.
The rugged terrain of Wales echoed with their cheers, a symphony of triumph that resonated through the valleys. Exhaustion was etched on their faces, lines of fatigue telling tales of relentless effort, but their eyes shone with the unmistakable light of victory. The Pakistan Army team had done it. They had conquered the Cambrian Patrol, claiming the coveted gold medal, a symbol of their unparalleled determination and skill. It was a moment of immense pride, not just for the team, but for a nation that stood behind them, hearts swelling with honor. They stood on the precipice of greatness, a vantage point that offered a view of their hard-fought journey. Months of grueling training had culminated in this, each day a step closer to this pinnacle of achievement. The world's toughest military exercise had tested their very core, pushing them to their limits and beyond. Yet they persevered. They had proven their mettle, overcoming every obstacle with unwavering resolve. The Cambrian Patrol. A name whispered with respect and trepidation in military circles, a challenge that few dared to face. It was a crucible that forged warriors, a test that separated the best from the rest. The Pakistan Army team had faced the fire and emerged stronger, a beacon of resilience and skill, shining brightly for all to see. This was more than a victory. It was a testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome, to rise above challenges and emerge victorious. It was a testament to the power of unwavering dedication, a story of relentless pursuit of excellence. The Pakistan Army team had etched their names in the annals of military history, a legacy of courage and tenacity. The world watched in awe, inspired by their incredible feat and the spirit of perseverance they embodied. The Cambrian Patrol. Just saying the name sends shivers down your spine. This ain't no walk in the park, it's 48 hours of pure, unadulterated hell in the Welsh wilderness. Picture this, 50 kilometers of unforgiving mountains, a relentless downpour soaking you to the bone, and to top it off, you're carrying 60 pounds of gear. Welcome to the Cambrian Patrol. But wait, there's more. This ain't just about physical strength, you gotta be a tactical genius too. Think navigating treacherous terrain. Think treating casualties under enemy fire. Think defusing bombs while the clock's ticking down. The Cambrian Patrol tests every fiber of your being. It's about pushing your limits mentally and physically further than you ever thought possible. It's about teamwork, leadership, and sheer guts. And let me tell you, the Pakistan Army team had them all in spades, proving their mettle. Victory at the Cambrian Patrol doesn't come easy. It's a test of endurance, skill, and sheer willpower. It's earned through blood, sweat, and a whole lot of grit. Every drop of sweat, every ounce of effort counts. Months before setting foot in Wales, the Pakistan Army team embarked on a grueling training regimen. They knew the road ahead was tough. They pushed their bodies to the limit and then some. Every day was a new challenge, a new test of their resolve. Think high-altitude treks in the Himalayas. The thin air, the biting cold. It was all part of their preparation. Think combat drills in the scorching desert. The relentless sun, the shifting sands. They trained in every extreme condition. Think sleep deprivation and minimal rations. They learned to function on the bare minimum, to keep going no matter what. They were preparing for war, and their battlefield was the Cambrian Patrol. Every drill, every exercise was a step closer to their goal. But it wasn't just about physical strength. Mental fortitude was equally important. They honed their minds to be sharp as steel traps. Every detail, every strategy was meticulously planned. Tactical planning sessions went on for hours. They left no stone unturned, no scenario unconsidered. They memorized maps like their lives depended on it. Every route, every landmark was etched in their minds. They practiced first aid until they could do it blindfolded. In the field, every second counts, and they were ready. Every scenario was meticulously planned for, every eventuality accounted for. They trained for the unexpected. They knew the stakes were high. Every soldier was aware of the responsibility they carried. They were representing Pakistan on the world stage. Their pride and honor were on the line. Failure was not an option. They had to succeed, not just for themselves, but for their country. This was their chance to show the world what they were made of. Their hard work, their dedication, it all led to this moment. The starting pistol fired, and the Pakistan Army team was off, launching into the competition with a burst of energy and determination. They plunged into the Welsh wilderness, ready to face whatever Mother Nature threw at them, knowing that the path ahead would be fraught with challenges. And boy, did she test them. The weather turned hostile, as if the elements themselves were determined to break their spirit. The rain was relentless, turning the terrain into a muddy quagmire, making every step a battle against the earth itself. Visibility was reduced to a few feet, the thick fog wrapping around them like a shroud, obscuring their path and adding to the challenge. The wind howled like a banshee, trying to knock them off their feet, its icy fingers clawing at their faces and testing their balance. But they pressed on, their determination unwavering, their spirits unbroken by the relentless assault of the elements. Challenges were thrown at them from every direction, each one more daunting than the last, but they faced them head-on. A simulated enemy ambush here, testing their combat readiness. A casualty evacuation there, demanding their utmost precision and care. A ticking bomb that needed defusing, requiring nerves of steel and steady hands. Each obstacle tested their skills, their teamwork, their resolve. But they didn't crack, not even for a moment. They dug deep, drawing on their training and their unwavering belief in each other, knowing that together they could overcome anything. They communicated seamlessly, each member knowing their role inside out, their coordination a testament to their rigorous training. They faced each challenge head-on, overcoming it with a combination of tactical brilliance and sheer guts, their bravery shining through. The Cambrian Patrol was designed to break you, to push you to your limits, but the Pakistan Army team refused to be broken. They were a force of nature, as unstoppable as the storm raging around them, their resilience a beacon of hope and strength.
That is brilliant. So well done.